What's up, it's Dane, and welcome back to the channel. I don't have a lot of time to talk right now because it's literally like 11:30 and they're probably gonna wake up soon. So anyway, you know, like one of my first videos, I made a video of my mom doing a fire prank on her, and it was really funny. Well, one of my friends from that trip is back with her other friend, and I'm gonna do a fire alarm prank on them. So hopefully this works. I have Mercedes and my mom in on it. The camera's set up in the kitchen, and I'm gonna have to ask to use someone else's phone. But anyway, I'm gonna set it all up, and hopefully this works because my speaker is pretty much dead. Also, I got a haircut. Anyway, okay, bye. Not again. Come on, fire alarm. Gotta go. Come on, hurry up. Come on. No. Trust me, at least it wasn't 2 o'clock in the morning. Critical battery. Please don't. I'm in booty shorts. Come on, we gotta go. Fire alarm. I got the key. I got the key. There, come on, dude. Seriously. Ow! Sorry. Come on, I have to get something really quick. Come on. Hurry up, damn it! We're gonna get in trouble with the cat. What, you want him to die? Why isn't it going off out here though? I don't know. Where's everybody else? This is weird. Wow. This is kind of weird that it happened when you guys were here. It was with Maya, and it was at 2 in the morning.
I woke up, I was so confused. Fire! Fire!
Who said that?
You're right, it is poop.
Who said fire? Oh, my mom said, son of a... Seriously, did everyone clear out that fast?
Danielle and I got up and went out the door.
I don't know. What's in your teeth?
It's my grinder. Oh, it's your teeth.
Bro.
Wait, so we go out here.
Yeah, we have to go outside.
What?
That's what happened last time. I don't know where everyone else went though. Mom! You can't check the mail right now. Why are you looking at me funny? Where is everybody?
Maybe your fire alarm just went off.
No.
Mine has done that before.
Ours has done that
But I feel like we would see more people going back inside.
I don't even see the freaking people.
Now what? You guys are pranked. I made you guys get up.
You suck.
Wait, that was a prank?
Yes.
Oh.
I'm so dumb.
I really thought you guys saw me recording.
No.
I was literally like this the whole
I
time.
had no idea.
Oh my god. We got him. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Hey, look at they need to see. They need to see.
Oh my god.
The masterpiece.
That I really wish they got freaked out more, but I guess they didn't.
Why would I be freaked out? The whole building wasn't going off.
It's not our house, it's your house.
Yeah, but you would have been scared. You would have caught on fire or something.
If it happens, it happens.
You weren't scared at all? No. Oh my god. And there's a camera up here.
Oh, look at that.
That's why I tried to trip you in front of the camera, so I thought it'd be funny. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.